Nomitech presents Excel BIM. Excel BIM is a Microsoft Excel add-in that lets you embed and load all your 3D BIM models and 2D drawings inside Excel. You can now link cells with 2D or 3D elements and highlight, colorize, isolate and zoom to linked elements as you select spreadsheet cells. Get accurate quantities from the 2D or 3D geometry. Measure freely and easily on your 2D drawings or 3D models in the 3D space. Use BIM data to create tables in Excel. Create advanced spreadsheets that automatically extract the data you need on your spreadsheets. Share your Excel files with the drawings or BIM files embedded or stored on the BIM City Cloud. Manage your 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, 7D processes and beyond. There is no limit to what you can do with Excel BIM. Download your free 7-day trial now and start exploring more. A business email is required.